Hello students, we have learned about how to form affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences for present tense and past tense. Now today let's start how to make or how to form affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences for future tense. Okay, so firstly, the first type of future indefinite. Okay, it's affirmative formula subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object, and it's negative subject plus will shall plus not plus V1 plus object, and its interrogative form will shall. Firstly we write down the will or shall, and then after we write subject plus V1 plus object, and at last we put the question mark. Here some example are, look here, I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. It's positive and it is also affirmative form, and its negative is what? We put not after the will or shall. Here I, we, you, they and he, she, it in a modern English we use with all that will. Okay, so its negative form is I will not meet you tomorrow, and its interrogative is what? Firstly we write, look the formula. Firstly we write what? Will or shall plus subject, then first form of the word, and then object. So our sentence will be, will I meet you tomorrow? Question mark. Okay, now the next example is, Ram will play football. Ram won't, will plus not, we called it won't. Ram won't play football, and its interrogative is, will Ram play football? Okay, now the future continuous tense, raha hoga, rahi hogi, like that type of sentences in Hindi, in the end of that present. Okay, here the formula is form affirmative subject plus will or shall plus be plus fourth form, that means first form plus ing plus object, and for negative the formula will be subject plus will or shall plus not plus be, that means will shall and be. Between we put the not. Okay, and plus fourth form of the verb plus object, and for interrogative sentences we form will or shall plus subject plus be plus V4 plus object, and at last we put the question mark. Here example is, I will be going, go plus ing, that means going. The root word is go. Okay, I will be going to Bombay. I will not be going to Bombay, and will I be going to Bombay? Okay, for future perfect tense, that means the end of the sentence in Hindi sentences, chuka hoga, chuki hogi, like that word are present at last in the sentence, and its formula is affirmative, negative, interrogative. Firstly look the affirmative subject plus will or shall plus have. We always use in a perfect have, has, had. Okay, so because it is a future tense, so we use have with all the subject. Okay, and plus V3, third form of the word, and then object, and its negative is what? Subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. Only we put the not between will and have. And for interrogative the formula will be will or shall. Firstly we write, then subject, and after that have, plus VC plus object, and at last we put the question mark. Now here example is he will have gone, he will not have gone, will he have gone, and then question mark. Okay. And similarly the second example, Ram will have played football. This is the affirmative. Ram will not have played football. This is the negative sentence. And the last interrogative is, will Ram have played football? Okay. Now the last fourth type of the future tense, future perfect continuous tense. Okay. You also know in our previous classes we discussed about the perfect continuous tense. We use here, we mention here the time period. Okay. And we use here the since and for also. Okay. And being, BEEN, being, have been, has been, like that. But in a future perfect continuous tense we use only have been. Okay. For affirmative, the formula is subject plus will or shall plus have been plus before plus object plus since or for plus time and plus remaining part of the sentence. Okay. And its negative is what? We put not between the will or shall and have been. Okay. And for interrogative, firstly we write down the will or shall, and then after we put the subject, and then have been plus fourth form of the ing and plus object plus since or for. Okay. Now example is here, she will have been waiting for me for 3 hours. वो 3 घंटे से मेरा इंतजार कर रही होगी. And she will not have been waiting for me, will not have been. That means we put not between the will and have been. Okay. She will not have been waiting for me for 3 hours. And for interrogative, firstly we write the will or shall. So we write here, will she have been waiting for me 3 hours. And then question mark. Students, in already we learn about where we use since and where we use for. Okay. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. Okay. So this is the last lecture for the how to make affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences for present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay. So students, you learn it properly and do practice more and make more other sentences. Okay. Thank you.